everyone. It is very sunny outside. I am coming to show you how I grew scallions using store-bought scallions in my garden, kind of like really accidentally. And so they have gone very big, and I've had them all through the winter and they didn't die. I'm kind of shocked, and I want to show you what they look like. If you are new to the channel, my name is Tiffany of At Well with Tiffany. You can find me on all social platforms, mostly at Well with Tiffany. Find me on Instagram mostly. I'm there more often, and also kind of on TikTok, so you can find me on TikTok as well. I am a certified health coach, but I am someone who is just about finding ways to put wellness and bring it into everyday life. That also includes buying cute dresses off of Amazon, so if you do like this one, I will have it linked in the description. And to really just show how I do little things in the garden. I have put other gardening videos in the past, and I am just going to go and plan my garden out right now. More towards the fall, I am in the Northeast. I have put some scallions that I had originally bought from the store and put them in a jar and let them start growing. I have put them in my garden bed, and I kind of forgot about them. I have left them throughout the winter time here, and now it is spring. They are still thriving accidentally, and so that's all I did.
This is so cool. A garden bed. Whoa, this one's super long.
Yeah, right? They got super long.
Is this one cut it?
Yeah, I cut that one.
I never tried one before.
Yes, you did. I put it in your food.
You're on the bottom.
But that's it. It's kind of really simple, and as I said, accidentally growing. Hopefully that inspires someone to just go and try it out. It doesn't have to be a whole complicated thing, and I hope that this helps someone. And let me know in the comments if you've ever tried growing some green onions on your countertop, and whether you've put them out in your garden if you do have some gardening space. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do like this type of content, very wellness inducing, fun loving content, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all another time. Take care. Bye. One step pose. Oh, I need to do the one step pose first. Okay, like this.
No.
All right.
Do this pose too.
Do this pose. Got it. Okay.